In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptoguru. So, can you really withdraw money from Cryptoguru? Well, let's break it down. Cryptoguru is essentially a trading simulator designed to help you gain insight and basic experience in cryptocurrency trading. While it may show virtual balances in the app, these are not real money and cannot be withdrawn. If someone tells you otherwise, beware. There's no way to withdraw funds from CryptoGuru. It's simply a tool for learning. So remember, any promises of withdrawals are likely scams or attempts to steal your information. In summary, CryptoGuru is a valuable platform for learning about cryptocurrency trading, but it is important to understand its limitations. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.